Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your go-to destination for the latest updates and insights on groundbreaking tech innovations. Today, we dive deep into one of the most exciting leaks in the drone industry, the rumored DJI Flip. Expected to debut at CES 2025, this compact drone is already generating buzz in the tech community. The DJI Flip is rumored to be a compact, portable drone designed to offer safety, versatility, and ease of use. This drone aims to cater to beginners and casual users while incorporating features that appeal to semi-professional drone operators. Safety first, enhanced propeller guards. Early sketches from FCC filings reveal propeller guards as a key feature, emphasizing safety for both the drone and its surroundings. This is a thoughtful addition for beginners and those operating in confined spaces, making the DJI Flip an ideal choice for urban flyers or indoor use. Compact design and portability. The DJI Flip is expected to maintain a travel-friendly design akin to the DJI Mini, despite its larger battery. This ensures that photographers and videographers can easily carry it without compromising performance. Improved flight time. One standout feature of the DJI Flip is its rumored 3,110 mAh battery, significantly larger than the DJI Minis. This upgrade could extend flight times to approximately 20 to 23 minutes, rivaling more advanced models. Longer flights mean more creative freedom for capturing stunning visuals without frequent landings. Camera upgrades. A step ahead while exact details remain under wraps, the DJI Flip's mid-tier positioning hints at camera enhancements. Speculations include multi-axis stabilization, 4K HDR capabilities, and an ultra-wide field of view. These features could elevate it above entry-level drones, appealing to creators seeking more sophisticated imaging tools, advanced features, and smart modes. Building on DJI's tradition of innovation, the Flip might integrate features like AI subject tracking, voice control, and enhanced manual flight options. New flight modes could unlock creative possibilities, catering to users looking to push boundaries. DJI Flip, expected to include higher resolution sensors and multi-axis stabilization, making it a mid-tier contender. Flight time and battery life. The DJI Flip's improved battery life positions it as a competitive alternative to the DJI Mini while edging closer to the DJI Air in terms of performance. This makes it suitable for a wide range of use cases, from casual photography to semi-professional videography. With its compact size and enhanced portability, the DJI Flip could become a go-to tool for travelers looking to capture breathtaking landscapes. The inclusion of safety features like propeller guards and a user-friendly interface makes the Flip a perfect choice for beginners who want to explore drone flying without worrying about accidents. Pricing remains a critical factor. If DJI manages to deliver premium features at a competitive price, the Flip could redefine the mid-range drone market. Stay tuned to Tech Titan reviews for more updates as we follow this exciting development. If the DJI Flip lives up to expectations, it could be the start of a new era in drone technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates.